Hi, welcome to Azariah's Fiber Arts. My name is Sarah, and I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Fiber Arts. Hit the like or subscribe button anytime while you're watching. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to purl. I have some fingering weight yarn and size 3 needles. I'm going to work the backwards cast on and cast on 5 stitches. You are welcome to work whatever cast on you would like. Purling is considered the opposite of knitting, which is true in most situations. Instead of having the yarn in the back, we have the yarn in the front. Instead of going in this direction, we go this direction, and it's what helps make stockinette. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to purl. The first way, and they're only very slightly different. So we still work in the front loop. The receiving needle goes into the front loop and is in front of the giving needle. Yarn around, pull through, the stitch goes off of the giving needle. Receiving needle through the front loop, around and off. This is the way that most of us are taught to purl, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this method. I have been knitting for over 20 years, and this is the way that I've been purling for the last 20 years. I'm going to do another row. All right, way number 2, which is the way that I am in transition to purling all the time. Most things are the same. Yarn still in the front, receiving needles over here, receiving needle goes through the front. Instead of going this way though, I'm going to go this way. Counterclockwise, pull it through, off of the giving needle. Going to do that again. This takes slightly less yarn. Helps your stockinette rows be nice and even. So if you can learn to knit this way from the beginning, that would be wonderful. Because something that I am having to adjust for is my gauge. So on something that I've been doing forever, same yarn, same needles, same pattern, same all the stuff, I'm having to swatch because my gauge is different. You might notice, however, that the setup is slightly different. And that is because we're going to now have to work into the back loop on the subsequent rows. So instead of going into this front loop here for anything, be it a knit or a purl on the next row or round, you will need to go into this back loop. So I'm going to purl into the back loop. See that? Back loop, but everything else is the same. The receiving needle still on top of the giving needle. Yarn's going around counterclockwise, and we're coming off. And that's 2 different ways to purl. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please hit the like button. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, you're welcome to leave a comment below or email me, Sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com. Happy making!